Wow, look at that. Wow. Ooh. Wow, look at that lightning. Yeah, it's not raining here yet. Oh my goodness. But probably will be soon. Yeah, this is God's beauty right on display. I'm leaving it right there, like the camera right here, because that's where it really looks best. Oh wow. You know, when I was a kid, I used to be afraid of the lightning, but now I love watching it. I know every time I do this, I always have people say, Brian, be careful. Don't worry, I am under the thing here at my house. I am very protected. So you have nothing to worry about when I do this. I've been doing this for quite a few years. Oh my goodness. That lightning is vivid. But I love it. I mean, when you really think about this, for those of you that, are atheists or whatever, how can you describe the lightning? How can you describe the thunder? Where does it come from if you don't believe that there's a God? Oh, I just felt a raindrop. Yeah, now it's starting to rain. Yeah, as you can see, it's starting to rain. It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. Hear the voice of the Father. He's saying, whosoever will come drink of these waters. He's promised to pour his spirit out on your sons and your daughters. So if you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky, 'cause it's beginning to rain. It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. Hear the voice of the Father. He's saying, whosoever will come drink of these waters. He's promised to pour his spirit out on your sons and your daughters. So if you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. Man, I haven't sung that song in a long time. Wow, look at that lightning. I mean, how do you describe this? You know? I mean, this is God here, folks. This is God's creation here on display. You know, what you're seeing here, it ain't evolution, folks. This right here is the power of God. God's power here on display. Sorry about that. Now let me just go on D&D right here. Okay, there we are. Okay. Yeah, I mean, the cloud right over there, I mean, this is like the... Wow. I mean, that spot right there, I mean, it's... I mean, right there is the perfect spot. Hey, Don. How you doing, my friend? God's beauty on display right here, my friend. I mean, that spot right there is perfect. You know, I'm going to zoom in. Zoom in so you can, the wind's starting to pick up. Wow. All right, I'll zoom back. Let me zoom in just a little bit here, because I want you to really see the lightning here. see if we can see like any lightning flashes. There. All right, well, I think I'm going to head back inside. I hope you kind of all enjoyed the lightning for a little bit. So we got some pretty good flashes there. So I'll see you all later.